Service contracts 83 and 84. So just to be clear, these are exploration contracts for the viability of the province of Pangasinan, Zambales, and parts of Tarlac for natural hydrogen. So mag-aerial survey po sila. Malinaw po, it's an exploration service contract. Wala pong extraction, wala po pong commercial, wala po pong test for, wala po pong kontrata for commercial utilization, even for viability, wala pa po exploration. There are 12 LGUs, most of them located po sa second district. Parts of and parts of the first. Parts of third, most second, parts of first. Yeah. Wala pa postal, hindi pa siya postal. Mas papunta po siya sa bundok.
Pero may initial findings po ata yun.
Well, hindi po initial findings. There are indicators that there may be possible areas na mataas ang natural hydrogen. Yun nga yung tinatawag ng ophiolites. Because there are indicators nga po, like may mga mineral deposits na sinasabi na nandun, nakikita initially by surface surveys. Yung presence ng Mandaluyong Hot Springs sa second district is also an indicator na baka may natural na hydrogen. So yan yung mga ilan sa mga indicators na basis na. Kaya titignan nila kung viable nga at meron nga talaga. Actually, as far as service contracts like that are concerned, wala pong kailangan naman na permiso from us. Because these are, well, so the term is parang non-invasive na mga service, pro-aerial service na mga po ito. In fact, we don't even have to issue a law or an endorsement or support for it because these are just exploration contracts. Ibang usapan na pag magkakaroon na sila ng extraction, whether for testing or what, then it would involve already the LGU. So sabi ko naman, you don't require that. It's not required for you to contact it. However, since it's just an exploration, so we're very open to these activities na ipapakita ko yung mga possible na mga resources pa ng probinsya na mag-increase ng value ng lalawigan ng Pangasinan. So hindi naman po kailangan. In FYI lang po kami na may mangyayari.